Isazobambana ngezihluthu emkhandlweni waseTshwane eGauteng kubangwa isikhundla sokuhola lenhloko dolobha. Amalungu alomkhandlu asalelwe izinsuku ezincane kuba khethe imeya entsha. Uhulumeni wakule ndawo obusango kubambisana usuveze kwabe indaba ukuthi uzokweseka uSilius Brink ukuba kube nguyena othatha intambo kuRandall Williams. Nokho ke amaqembu aphikisayo wona afuna umuntu ongeloni ilunga leDA kulesi sikhundla futhi afuna ivoti libe yimfihlo uma sekuvotwa.
uSilius Brink ingenzeka kube nguye imeya entsha yaseTshwane. Lomlisa oneminyaka engama-35 ubudala ungowase Centurion khona eTshwane ngokudabuka. uBrink ubesebenza kulomkhandlu njengekhansela ngaphansi kobuholi bukaSoli Msimango owayeyimeya yeDA naye. Uma iphumelela kulolu khetho uzoba yimeya yesihlanu yeDA kulomkhandlu kusukela ngo-2016. Uthi uma edla umhlanganiso into yokuqala nesemqoka kuyena ukubuyisa uzinzo lwezezimali komasipala balomkhandlu.
We have to get a grip on the finances of Tshwane and we have to respond to the negative audit outcome of the city.
Usomlomo womkhandlu waseTshwane uthi uBrink ubengakafungiswa. Kani khansela leDA uShawn Cook lesulile esikhundleni nokuyindlela yokuphendlela uBrink isikhundla. iDA nezihlalo ezingu-109 kwezingu-214 kanti idinga ezingu-108 ukuze uBrink adle umhlanganiso kulolu khetho.
Our city really needs a proper leadership to make it move, and also with all the issues that you have been close to us in the last week or two, we now have some sort of direction.
Everything on that, our 10-point plan, is something that we all agreed to. And we are sticking to that, and we'll make sure that everyone delivers what he is supposed to.
We hope and believe that this new arrangement with the new mayor will be a better coalition partnership than we had before.
Njengoba iIFP nethemba lokuthi ukubusa kwamaqembu ngokuhlanganyela kunalo uzinzo futhi kuzoba impumelelo nje, amaqembu aphikisayo wona ayihlelela okwawo. iANC yona ifuna ukuthi imeya yomkhandlu iqhamuke eqenjini elithathwa njengelincane, kanti iEFF iphakamisa ukuthi kuvotwe ngokuyimfihlo uma sekuqokwa imeya entsha yomkhandlu.
With 4 mayors, they are attempting to get the 5th one, and we haven't seen any results. We are from one problem to another with the maladministration, financial misconduct, wrong things, including unqualified officials that have been brought by the DA who don't have qualifications. So it's a crisis.
Khona manjalo somlomo womkhandlu seqinisekisile ukuthi umkhandlu uzohlala kahle ngoLwesibili olizayo, kodwa ke lamaqembu abusa ngokuhlanganyela afuna ukuthi umkhandlu uhlale ngoLwesihlanu olizayo.